Hi, and welcome to the Aromahead YouTube channel. I'm Karen, and today we're making a digestion oil with anise, mint, and orange essential oils. The essential oils in this blend support the belly by calming spasms. They're also helpful if you're experiencing gas, nausea, or if your stomach just feels upset. This recipe is actually a multi-benefit belly blend that you'll want to keep around for when you need it. I'm starting with 1 ounce of organic jojoba oil in a glass bottle. This is a 1 ounce glass bottle, so I'm just going to eyeball this and leave enough room to add my essential oils, which is about right to here, is 1 ounce. So we'll just pour that in right up to the neck. Jojoba oil is a very gentle carrier. It also has a very stable shelf life, and pure organic jojoba oil can last about 20 years. So next into this blend, I'm going to add 5 drops of orange essential oil. Sweet orange is a reliable antispasmodic. That means that it can calm belly cramps and that tight, clenching feelings of indigestion. It also lends a very warm, fruity citrus scent to our blend that helps to balance the other 2 oils, which have strong aromas. So next, I'm going to add 5 drops of our beautiful spearmint essential oil. There we go. Spearmint has a sweet, bright, minty aroma. It's so refreshing. Spearmint oil can help get your circulation going where you apply it, and that means that in our digestion recipe, it helps to move energy through your belly so that everything just kind of flows more smoothly. And finally, I'm adding 3 drops of anise. This is Pimpinella anisum essential oil. Anise has a strong scent that might remind you of licorice, and it's a truly powerful antispasmodic, which explains its traditional use in digestive blends. Anise does have some safety precautions to be aware of, and this is an oil that you should avoid if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have a bleeding disorder. If you want to avoid anise, you can substitute it with sweet basil or cardamom essential oil. You can find out more information about how to use anise safely on our blog, and there's a link in the video description below. Now I'm just going to close my bottle and I'm going to give it a gentle shake. Close it up, and of course you want to remember to label this and put the date on that you have blended it. It's gorgeous. You can use this blend before or after a big meal, when you're traveling, such as if you're feeling nauseated on the planes or a boat, or any time that your stomach is feeling upset, even if it's upset because of stress. For me, there's a lot of comfort in knowing that even if I'm not sure why my belly is bothering me, I have a blend that will comfort me. And it smells absolutely beautiful. Hints of licorice and mint layered with sweet orange. It's really just divine. Thank you for watching. Be sure and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Jenny and Karen here. Thanks for watching.
We have a number of ways for you to engage with our content. Follow us on social, tune into our live events, check out our blog, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And don't forget to take our free Intro to Essential Oils course if you haven't already.